First of all, we have to log in with the user ID or password, which one you have received from the office side. Now you have to seen the allow the page of to open Docty. So click on OK, and here is your mobile number. When you put it down your number, here's you select your campaign and continue. After that, he is showing the select queue. So first of all, you have to select group 1, group 2, and OK, and save, and click on resume. When you click on resume, so you have to see in the BA Bangalore 2 users, here's a symbol is green. Now status green. When you want to call someone, so you have to click there and paste the number and call. When you're calling, so here you're showing the auto call also. So when you click on this, and now you're able to call. Hello. Yeah, this type of. After that, the customer cut your and you have seen these things, and here you can put down the conversation hang up type, just like switch off and hang up, and here you can put your description, just like not answering. One thing in this app you have to remember, if you are doing some calls, so first of all you received a call, you received an auto call. So first of all you click on this, and after that call will be connected with the person. And when you stop and when you log out, so first of all you have to log out there, this icon. In the whole day, if you are going and if you're shut down your work, so you have to go there and log out. If you not log out, so you can't be able to log in again. And one more thing, if you want to some issues, just like some having issues, so here's the syncing options. Okay, after that if you have any issue, so you can sync here, and after the after your call, so you can put here for the logout, and after that logout you have to see in this screen.